Hello, and I'm here to teach you the guitar chords. Today we're going to do A, E minor, G, D, and C. Starting with D. So you've got one finger on the third fret on the last string. Second finger on the still the third fret, but on the G string, but it's so the third one in on the middle. And then you've got a third finger on the third fret, but so second finger, first finger, second fret, and the third fret. So here you got D. Right, now moving on to G. We've got one finger on the last string on the third fret, another finger on the first string, still on the third fret. So and let's go on with this. The last finger on the second fret on the line just below the top. So here's G. All these 5 chords you can learn to make any song, any order, any song. Next we've got C. So here we have the first finger on the first fret on the second to last string at the bottom. Then we've got another finger on the second fret on the third string down. And then another finger on the third fret on the second one down. So here you've got moving on to A minor. Moving on to E minor. This one's much easier. You've got one finger on the second fret on the second line down, and another finger on the second fret on the third line down. So E minor is just 2 fingers. Pretty simple. Last one, we've got A. So we have one finger on the second fret on the last line, second to last line. We've got another finger on the second fret, third to last line, and then the last finger on the second fret on the third line down. So here's A. So if we put all these together, we have D, G, C, E, and A. So for this week we'll do those 5 chords. I can show you a song on it as well. So you can do it in any order. If we do D, C, and then you've got E minor and A. So the transition from E minor to A is the easiest because you've got to go from 2 to 3, but it's they sound completely different, so you wouldn't want to do it in a song. E minor, A. You could do it if you want to, but you've got G, D, C, A. So I will put pictures on this, and so it makes it helpful for everyone to understand which chords are which. You can make any song with it, with any lyrics. Got metal strings, and then these ones are plastic as well. So you can do it on anything. I just play this because it's mine. Thanks guys, see you next week. Next week will be 5 different chords, and then maybe you can do, what I will do is set all of them up in one song, make a song, do some lyrics, show you out.